right, so let's talk about what is affiliate marketing and how you can get started as a beginner. You can do affiliate marketing and make a full-time income in 4 easy steps. Let's go. So what is affiliate marketing? It's essentially promoting somebody else's product or service, and because you are essentially an independent marketer for them, you get a cut of the sale whenever that product or service is sold. Affiliate marketing is happening all the time, but you just might not realize it. Let's check these.
Yeah, good day everyone. I go by the name is Skywet. Please, if you can see this video, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, if you been following my video, you know I am an affiliate marketing coach. Yes, I train people online on how to make money, and I've been teaching people and I've been training people on how to use Clickbank to earn money. Yes, on Clickbank affiliate marketing. From that, I have a software, affiliate marketing traffic generating software, which I've been using over the years now, and it has been giving me excellent results. Yeah, this is the account of one of my students that got my software and video course and has been doing fine. Yes, he got it on October 2nd and it started earning on October 3rd. Remember, my software is very easy to use, and my video course will guide you step by step on how to use my software to get traffic to any of your affiliate marketing platform, because my software is only applicable to Clickbank alone. You can use my software on other affiliate marketing platform. And remember, you don't need to have any experience on affiliate marketing or on how to use you don't have to use my software before you can use my software, because my video course will guide you step by step on how to use the software to get sales on your Clickbank affiliate marketing or any of your affiliate marketing platform. And my video course also entails some secret and important information which you should know as a affiliate marketer to become a successful affiliate marketer. Yeah, because there are some secrets and there are some hidden information which is not known to new people and newbies in the game, but only experts and people that have been in the game for long and they've passed through the stages which most people which are just starting now may not know. Yes, because affiliate marketing is not just about sharing link to Facebook or other platforms to get sales, but you need to know some kind of products which some kind of locations are known for, and that is one of the secrets which you are going to get from my video course, because my video course will take you step by step on how to use my software and the kind of products you will sell through the software that will earn you daily sales. And remember, when you get my software video course, you are going to earn on a daily basis. So get my software video course today and start earning real good. Enjoy the training of the smart ones that are making hedge in the game of affiliate marketing. Remember, you can always contact me on my Gmail at skywet07@gmail.com or text me on Telegram through this number you can see on the screen. Text me on my Gmail at skywet07@gmail.com or text me on Telegram through this number you can see on the screen. Contact me today and get the software and video course and start earning real good on any of your affiliate marketing platform. And remember, I'm always accessible to my students. When you get my video course and software, I will guide you step by step. As in, apart from my software, my video course guiding you, I am also available to answer any of your questions and guide you on how to go with the software and any of your affiliate marketing platform. And remember, my video course is self-explanatory. It's very easy to use. It will take you step by step on how to use the software to get sales on any of your affiliate marketing platform. So remember to get the software today. Contact me on my Gmail at skywet07@gmail.com or text me on Telegram through this number you can see on the screen. Text me on my Gmail at skywet07@gmail.com or text me on Telegram through this number you can see on the screen. So join the click of the smart ones that are making hedge and getting really big sales, like the results you can see on the screen on any of your affiliate marketing platform. So get the software today and become a successful affiliate marketer.